Draai nou zo. Hallo! Goeie. Zeg maar dan. Kom.
We'd read in the papers that they were going to dynamite a smokestack at Mutler Power Station at exactly 8 o'clock on a certain morning. So we decided to get in on the act. Charles Cumming made like a hard-boiled, bad-tempered foreman, and he led an inexperienced apprentice electrician to a spot where there were 2 electrical cables to be connected.
Green to red and grey to brown. Got that? Don't mess it up, otherwise you'll blow up that stack. You think that's funny?
He did think the rude man was joking. Of course, you know it's going to happen, but watch how he'll try to reverse the damage. He pulled the cables apart. Didn't help.
You know what you've done? Connected. You're going to pay for the rest of your life? I'm only joking. You're on funny people. Funny people? Funny people. It was due for demolition anyway today. We have cameras hidden over there, and over there, and over there.
Caught about 20 victims with her woman trying to unpark her car act. Her car and the other 2 were beginning to look rather disreputable. So Jamie told her, do it once more, and this time pull out all the stops. I want you to scare the pants right off your next victim, even if you have to write off all 3 cars. He looked like the perfect victim. Nervous, chain-smoking type. So Feder went for it.
What's going on here?
She's bumping all the cars.